Hello friends, welcome once again to Sanat Easy Mind Tutorials. I welcome all to once again to another new video. Okay, this video is completely related to ICCR Recruitment 2020. So friends, ICCR has updated in its official website regarding the manual process for the computer proficiency test. Okay, so I want to say to everyone who is new to the channel, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell button for all notifications, okay, and important informations. So and share this video to all of your friends who are going to give the ICCR skill test. Okay, it's very important. And whoever is going to give the skill test, I want to say to all of them, be relaxed, be calm, and take care of yourselves. Okay, and complete all the videos which I have prepared for the skill test. For example, I want to show you the playlist. You can visit the channel Sanat Easy Mind Tutorials and can complete this playlist. Okay, you complete the playlist, or I will give the description. I will give the link of the playlist in the description. You can visit there. Also you can click on the I button and watch the video. So friends, kindly complete these two playlists. Once a minute, I zoom for you. You can see here the this playlist, computer proficiency test and skill test for all exams. Okay, kindly complete this playlist. It contains 9 videos. Okay, and all the basic functions of MS Excel formula and function. This first video, you complete this video as soon as possible. Okay, because ICCR has emphasized more on this video. Okay, these questions like formula and functions. Okay, and for the typing purpose also I have created videos here for LDC and typing test. And for MS Excel I have created 2 videos. For MS Word 1 video. For MS PPT also 1 video. So complete all these 9 videos sincerely. Okay, and after that you complete this playlist also, computer for all exams. Okay, because many of the students have doubt that whether they will ask some MCQ questions addition to the CPT or the typing test. So in my point of view, why to take risk? From safe side, you prepare all the MCQ questions also, expected MCQ questions, okay, that can be asked in addition to the CPT or skill test. So here I have prepared 8 lectures starting from lecture 1 to lecture 8. Complete all of these, okay, as soon as possible within 1 to 2 days. And if anyone has not downloaded the admit card yet, kindly download it, because the last day to download the admit card is 5th of December 2020. Okay, yesterday I have given this important information. You can check the I button and watch the video. Okay friends, so let us start the video where I will explain you the manual procedure which ICCR has released. Okay, the students who want to see in Hindi, you can click on the I button. Okay, and watch the video in हिंदी. हिंदी के जो बच्चे हैं वो लोग आई बटन पर प्रेस करके, हिंदी में मैंने कंप्लीटली सेम वीडियो आपको समझाया है, तो आप लोग वहां पे देख सकते हैं, और इंग्लिश वाले बच्चों के लिए इस वीडियो में मैं समझा रहा हूँ. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो दिस इज द manual CPT process which ICCR has recently shared. So let me explain this. So here these are the steps which you need to follow when you go to the examination center. Okay, there the local administrator or the invigilator will provide you an URL link where you have to click, okay, before you log in into your test interface. So after clicking on the IP address, you will be prompted with a interface to type your roll number, your login ID, which will be your roll number that is mentioned in your admit card for the skill test, and the password will be your date of birth. And kindly remember this format: DDMM and YYYY. Okay, this is the format with no spaces. So this is the interface which you will get after logging in. Then you will get this type of interface. Once you log in, you will be able to see that some test has been assigned to you. Here you can see friends that here it is written that the test assigned 1 means one test has been assigned to you and the time allotted is 60 minutes. So then you press on continue. After that you will see this interface where you need to read all these instructions carefully. Okay, very important here is you need to follow these instructions strictly. Okay, during you give your test, you need to stay on the current window, okay, your interface, test interface. If you switch over to some other test page, for example, I'm showing you, if I switch over to these pages, these tabs which you can see in the bottom of the screen, by chance I switch over to them, then warnings will be flashed on your screen, okay. So 5 warnings are flashed before logout, okay, in case user navigates out to any other window. So if you are navigating uh, frequently, you are navigating to some other window, switching over to other windows or browsers, okay, during a test, then 5 warnings will be flashed. After that you will be permanently logged out and you can't give the test, friends, okay. So be very careful about this, and once you have logged in, you can't log in from some other browser, okay. Then the navigation tools, where you see the next button, means you need to click on that to go to the next question. And the very important information is that you need not to click end test until and unless you have finished all your questions, okay. If you click on end test, then unfortunately your test will end and you will not be able to appear further, okay, or complete all the questions. So once you complete, ensure it, then you click on end test and submit the test, okay. And uh, if by chance your power or the internet fails during the test, then for recovery you need to contact your local administrator or the invigilator, or you can tell them to write the email, that they will manage, because it is their responsibility to maintain the internet and the power supply, okay. Then these are the standard instructions. Here will be the test name, and here for example they have shown some general aptitude and technical questions. This is not your case. You will be given number of questions will be 6. You will be asked 6 questions from 3 modules, that is spreadsheet, then your generation of slides, that is PPT, and your word processing, okay. 3 questions will be from MS Excel. So MS Excel you have to give more priority, okay, to MS Excel. 3 questions. Then after that MS Word you will be asked 2 questions and 1 question from PPT. So I have completed all the questions from MS Excel. You kindly watch those 2 videos of MS Excel in the playlist which I have shown you in the starting of this video, okay. All your doubts will be cleared. Very important is that video of formula and functions, okay. Then you will be allotted 60 minutes, and for each question accordingly the marks will be displayed there, okay. Then you need to click on start test button. You can see the arrow mark pointing towards the start test tab. Then after clicking on the start test button, you will be directed to such an interface where you can see all the question, okay. Question C here, question number 1 to question number 6, the question on which you need to answer, you need to click on that, okay. Suppose for example here the first section is MS Excel according to them, and here you can see your time left. Suppose question number 1, the maximum marks is 5, okay. Here it is written this is a subjective question, hence you have to write your answer in the text field given below. So if it is a subjective question, so you need to write the answer here, okay. I mean, suppose they are saying you to write so to type something, okay, to type something by seeing the document here. So first you need to click here to download the document, okay. For example here it is Excel document, so you need to download this, and in that they will be giving you some data, okay, which I have explained in the video. You can see by clicking on the I button, okay. So some data will be given there. In that data something will be asked you regarding these 3 things, okay. The objectives are written here. There will be some number with commas in between them, comma separator will be there, decimal numeric formats will be there. All these things I have completely detailed way I have explained you, very simple way. You can see the videos, okay. See the playlist. Working with formulas, then they will ask you to find the maximum value from a data set, minimum value, average, count and sum, then percentage, numeric formats, all will be asked, okay. And if something is need to be typed, you need to type it here, else you need to download the document, you need to complete the work. Then what you do, you have to save the document, okay, in this extension only. For suppose it is question number 1 and it is Excel document, so you need to save like q1.xls. Particularly this you need to emphasize, exactly this name you have to give, otherwise your marks will be deducted. And the place where they have prompted you to save the file, in that folder only you need to save the file, okay. Suppose it is a Word document, so you need to type this as question number, then .doc. Okay. If it is PPT, then this is the format q1.pptx. Okay. Then after clicking on next, you can before clicking on next, you have to choose the file. Okay. If you have saved them, then you have to upload them. After that, you need to click on next to go to the next question. So like this, 6 questions you need to complete. First you need to download the document, then you need to complete the task, then you have to save it, then you have to upload it. Else, if it is directly written to type in the text box given here, you need to type it and go to the next question. Okay. Do not ever click on the end test. Okay. Then after that, when you have finished all the questions, okay, see here, suppose this is a MS document question, MS Word question. Here they have written, write a few lines on your topic of interest and decorate the Word document with page border, content border, add pattern. So you need to download the document, then you need to see there what are the things mentioned, what the page border they have mentioned, what are the content border and add patterns. Okay, all the things you need to complete and you need to type it here in the text box, and here you need to give the formats, bold, italics, all these things, alignment you need to give accordingly which they have used. Okay, then after that, after completing all the questions, you need to click on end test. When you click on end test button, this the pop-up will show like this. Okay, are you sure you want to submit the test? If you have done all the questions, you have checked it thoroughly, you click on yes, submit it. Else you click on cancel and again check the questions. After that you submit. Okay, finally when you submit, the screen will show like this, test submitted successfully. For security reasons, please exit the browser. Okay, so this will be your complete process in which you have to follow during the CPT, okay, or the skill test. So here see, they have mentioned the test structure. For word processing, that is MS Word, you will get 2 questions. From spreadsheet or the MS Excel, you will get 3 questions, and from the generation of slides, that is PPT, you will get 1 question. Okay, and the marks will be accordingly. 60 minutes will be the time and 100 marks is the total marks. Okay, this is the complete pattern which I have discussed. So friends, kindly share the video as much as possible to all the friends so that all can get help from this video. Okay, and whoever is new to the channel, kindly subscribe the channel by pressing the bell button. Okay, so that all the notifications will be uh, received by you in short amount of time. Okay friends, so take care, be relaxed, stay safe, stay motivated, stay happy. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Thank you.